Yafisa sibuza ukuthi hloboni yomuntu esangalindela ushintsho oluhle ku-ANC noma kuRamaphosa uqobo lwakhe. After all these failures we've seen from this guy. Namhlanje kusukela izolo ANC ikwi-NGC yayo, National General Council, I think it's a council. They might discuss how the society should not be left behind. After that years, angayithola impendulo ombuzo ANC. Nizocheka namhlanje ngenza kanjani ukuthi abantu bengasaleli emuva kwintuthuko. After that years, lowo nje ukukodwa for a teacher owayesikoleni wafunda kahle ku teaching ufeli lo. Ufeli. Awukwazi ukuthi usuka grade 12 thina sase standard 10 ila uzobuza ukuthi konje 2 plus 2 is equal to bani. Akusalingani nawe lokho. First ikufeyile nje usayiqala lo equation usayibeka pha lo problem usayibhala phansi. Sithi fail. ANC can't be asking that question today. ANC namhlanje after 30 years should be telling the society how they have been making sure that the society is not left behind. The fact that they're asking that question today, the opposite side of their question says, we have left the society behind for bloody 30 years. So, what kind of a thinking being will still have high hopes from this NGC, ANC content we are now? Is Alito now Ramaphosa, for example? The man who has avoided everything and not to be blamed for anything. Even the 9 state years that he created and talks about, he was a deputy president, responsible for government business. But no, he can't be blamed for anything that happened wrong there, if any. The man who was caught with dollars hidden in a sofa in his property, who then controlled the public protector, controlled the certificate receiver of revenue, controlled the Reserve Bank, controlled the judiciary to find nothing wrong with that. Why should we continue to trust people who are not trustworthy? Why? Because of Ramaphosa. Angishaka fihlo amarandi lala ama-dollars atholakala still first pit kubeka sikholelwa kuyena. So that's why I'm saying manje focus yami is no longer on Ramaphosa. It's on the person or the thinking being who still thinks there's something positive engaphuma ku-ANC. Even worse is Alito Ramaphosa. I don't think that a person who has been awake for the past 8 years of Ramaphosa should be somebody who has been asleep. Ayikho ANC namhlanje into engayilungisa isahlulo ukubhekana nama-failures ayo angempela. And masiwa ama-failures a-ANC asikhulumi nje ngembono yokuthi siyayigxeka ngoba siwumkhonto noma siyini. Hamba uyofunda ama-report ka-Auditor General AXA, Auditor General of South Africa, okuyena obhekayo ukuthi i-ANC iperforma kanjani kuwena wonke ama-department, iy'mali zisebenzisa kanjani. Kwa-DPE for instance, sine-wasteful expenditure ehleli regular expenditure ehleli ku-6.1 billion just for 1 year. Sine-fruitless expenditure ehleli ku-79 million rands just for 1 year. Ngikhuluma ngedepartment eyodwa la, Department of Basic Education. Uyasho u-Auditor General ukuthi even enza ama-recommendations ukuthi hayi niyona la lungisani kanje uhulumeni ka-ANC awuyinaki lonto. Shiya phansi uqhubeke uyodla imali. Angikhulumi la ngama-report amadala. Kuba ngama-report ka-2024, 2025. Kuyimanje banikana amathenda lapha phansi kwa-education. Mangabe ubona ukuthi hayi usuyidlile imali ngokwanele bese bekuterminator becingela enye iqabane leyo mali obusuyidlile 200 million obusudlile bathi hayi wasteful expenditure beshiye kanjalo uhambe wena uyothola enye ithenda elsewhere. Ngapha bafaka omunye ucomrade la bakuterminate khona they've become very sophisticated in how to steal, how to loot, and have auditor general reports ignored. No consequence management. I-ANC leyo. Asikwazi ukuhlukanisa i-ANC nohulumeni kube ku-ANC ofaka amaqabane ehulumeni. Into eyodwa, uhulumeni ne-ANC njengamanje, it's one thing. So what ama-officials kahulumeni do in government, njengokudla kwey'mali, wasteful expenditure, fruitless expenditure, unauthorized expenditure, irregular expenditure, it is the ANC. The very same ANC le NGC right now. But they're deliberating how you cannot leave society behind. For how long we should listen to this nonsense? Our people. For how long we should listen to nonsense ANC, package in nice English and good write-ups. Baphala kahle impela. Bakhuluma kahle impela kodwa benzi. Njengamanje bakhuluma ukuthi policy formulation, policy shift. For how long they've been formulating and shifting the policies? Kuma national ANC policy conferences. But they don't implement those policies. Uzuma ungaphandle nje ANC bona esimahashula. It because they were pushing for radical economic transformation policy. Yawo ANC efocus ekuthela umuntu omnyama naye akube khona akutholayo. Kwezomnotho wethu. And azenze lokho akwenzeka ngokusheshsha futhi nangendlela ebonakalayo radically. Kwathiwa hayi RT forces, RT sakhishwa ku-ANC. Ngoba silwele ipolicy ka-ANC ethi abantu nabo phela bawuthola umcebo ngokwendlela abawudinga ngayo, the same way uqhashazwa abelungu abangcosana nemhumeko embalwa stooges ka-ANC amnyama emnyama lo mhumeko saphuma ku-ANC. So yiphi ke le policy abazoyenza namhlanje? Because their problem is not about policy formulation. Their problem is about practice of policy. Bayawenza ama-policy mahle kodwa bawa-implement ngoba abaxabanisa nongxiwankulu ababanika imali zabayisitasha kosofa ephalaphala lezi ehamba ngamahulisi. Namhlanje izwe likhuluma ngokhathi Matlala, likhulume ngoMokgotsi njengama-devils. Question is, who created Khathi Matlala? Who created Mokgotsi? It is the bloody ANC. You can blame about Khathi. Yebo nabo bayifakile into wrong. But who created them? The ANC government. The ANC ministers. That's why uMkhulu behlela ama-commission njengamanje. And we know uMkhulu is a trusted man kaSiril Ramaphosa. So now thina sefesibe foolish thina. Sibe that foolish ukuthi sithi hayi ANC njengamanje ihlangana nokulungisa izinto. Zwanini la abantu bakithi. We are late. We should have dealt with these crooks 20 years ago. Bese siwagada fula ama-crooks angangeni ngayo emkhontweni. Ngoba uzofiphinda enze le nonsense yawo. Ngeke phela. Kufundile ukudla imali kahulumeni. Umkhonto manje uyithuba elisha. Abanye bethu kulelo jethu okuqala is with the revolution of the people. It's not with the political parties. Abanye bethu. And I always say that, and I don't want to be gassed around it. My first loyalty is with the revolution of the political press. My second loyalty is with this party that I think it got good intention to continue from where Zuma ended, which is radical economic transformation agenda. If there's shift from that, no, we are no longer relating. We have to stop corruption practically. Lama Auditor General reports there are millions and billions of wasteful expenditure, regular expenditure, and authorized. It has to stop. It could have been a school, could have been a clinic, could have been government investment to create jobs or improve community infrastructure. Could have been a bursary to a learner. Onganayo a chance to education ngoba akanayo abazali abanemali. So if singayimvimbi lezi imali ey'ntshontshwayo, there shall be no development in South Africa. Sizoqhubeka sibone ukukhula kwabantu abanjengoKhathi, abanjengomokgotsi. Billionaires that we don't know where they come from. And they're finding themselves in a network of ANC politicians. So ke osalindele ukuphilayo ku-ANC noRamaphosa, I don't think umuntu obebhekile in the past 8 years. Abantu bakithi balazi iqiniso. Unjengamanje ama-clinic, igole, ama-police station, Department of Social Development, Department yamasosha, umkhakha wezamasosha, kubole kangaka nje ingenxa kahulumeni kaRamaphosa. Ofuna ukuprova lokho awusenza uGoogle. Awucheck nje between Mbeki, Zuma and Ramaphosa. Who built ikole eziningi? I-answer izothi Zuma, bese iphinde i-answer ithi uRamaphosa has built none. Check who built imigwaqo eminingi. I-answer izothi Zuma, bese ucheck uRamaphosa ithi none. Who built ama-power stations? Ibhedla gesi, iphehla gesi. I-answer izothi uZuma ubuild 2, ithi uMbeki waqala 2, ithi Ramaphosa none. Ucheck i-unemployment rate ye-youth particularly. Yayinkulu kubani? Izothi i-answer inkulu kuRamaphosa. Nifunani enye ukubona ukuthi nithatha isahluleki nasikhwela ngaphezulu ANC. And ngebhadi kulate manje ngamsusa manje kulate. Sefe kusuke nina manje ngoba nani senifunde amakhono amabi okubola. Senifunde amakhono omntshontsha. Anizwa nafunda amakhono okhohlisa abantu uthi umntshontshelwe ubumkhohlisa ngapha. Nibolile nje. U-ANC ukhucululwe manje ngisho ama-office ehulumeni fekhucululwe yonke leyo thingwa ngaphandle. Uma abantu bakithi nifuna ukushintsha lelizwe kodwa manithanda qhubekani ithi nizothatha ibrand ka-ANC. Hey ukubola lokuya. Ngisho ama-ancestors ithunywa zika-ANC zikushiyile manje singapha emkhontweni. Mawufuna uthuli nje yazi lithuthile idlozi semkhontweni. Ufuna uThambo uthuthile usemkhontweni. Ufuna Solomon Mahlangu, ufuna uChris Hani bangapha. Utshele mina bonke nenkosi luthule. No John Langalibele Dube bathuthile ngoba zisala ingane zenza amanyala egcekeni ka-ANC. Don't think uzohlala isithunywa emanyaleni. Njoba nasi ngapha emkhontweni sikhathela amanyala ka-ANC engezi ngapha. Ngoba siyaza xoxa isithunywa somzabalazo. Sikhathile masigala umzila sisho lokho. Asisigada amathuba amathenda. Njengeminye imhumheke siyibukayo ukuthi siyanibuka lo mzila lona ugadile nina. Okuyicebisa la seme kwaza kwenzi. Sikhathile. Mase sikhathi umzila, sisikhathi ukungcola ukuthi kungenzeki la. Lemkhubeko ka-ANC uyenzayo namanje umsaqhubeka ukukhohlisa abantu ngale NGC yabenukayo. Awuzokuza la emkhontweni. Ma uthi uyahlula uyeza uza ngenkala hayi impela uyaphumelela khona urongo njalo hayi futhi uyofeka kuphume thina bayitho phela ngeke sihlale namanyala the same way singahlalanga namanyala we-ANC.